it's Naima. I wanted to finally go over your modern two-bedroom with you. I wanted to start off and just point out that I think this is the incorrect sheet size here. I can tell just by how much white space is around the drawing. So if you could go back and look at your sheet sizes and make sure that you find something closer to what works for the plan. It should be an arch D, maybe an arch E, depending on what you started with, but excuse me, it should fit a little bit closer than that. So I'm going to zoom in here just a bit, and let's take a look at your door tags first. So on several of these, it's in the middle of the door, which makes it a little bit hard to read. So I'm going to leave a note to move the tag so just move it away so it's easier to read. You don't even need a leader on it. You can just go ahead and scooch it down just a bit to make it easier to read. And the window tags look okay. Right now there's a dimension cutting through that one, but we're going to be redoing the dimensions on a different sheet. So that should kind of correct itself here in just a minute. Let me go ahead and zoom back out. Now coming down here, this is something that I put on just about everybody's plans, but on your roof plan and parapet, let's see, you also have a reflected ceiling plan. We actually don't need to show the interior elevations on these views. So go ahead and go into your VV menu. When you're on these two views, you'll have to do both of them separately because they're two different views, but go ahead and go to VV and turn off your interior elevation tags under the annotation category. And the reason why there's no interior context for the elevations in these views, so it's not helpful to whoever's going through your plan set. With your elevations, it looks like they're starting to run into each other. So if you wouldn't mind kind of rearranging these, maybe even putting them on two sheets. So like an A201 and a 202. It's just getting a little bit messy here. So let's go ahead and rearrange those. Sections read well. I can see that you have your roof. You also have your floor and your parapet, and I see your ceilings as well, so that takes care of that. I really like the detail work that you've included in your interior elevations on all of your views. I hope you had fun with that. It looks good. And then you've got your A901, which looks good too, and I can see your roof and parapet from this view again. So not too many changes, and I think I left you a note on your annotation that this is the plan set to be working on, not the modern casita, but go ahead and keep working on this 2-bedroom for your annotation stuff. All right, thanks, Malorie.